What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rob here, and today I am bringing you a video talking about one of the most popular topics out there. Is Amazon FBA still worth it if you are a new seller trying to enter the market in the year 2018? Let's see, it is July now, and so my answer pertains to July and going forward for the next 12 months to 2 years, really. The answer is yes. It is still worth it if you are an entrepreneur. If you are somebody who is looking to fill about 10 hours a week, at least, of your time building a business, then Amazon FBA is definitely worth it. If you are not willing to put in at least 5 to 10 hours, then I don't think any business is worth your time. I think you should stop dreaming because you're not an entrepreneur. Sorry, it's a bit harsh, but you got to call a spade a spade. So, I wanted to just walk through why I think Amazon is still a good opportunity and why, even though there's a lot of sellers that are still entering the market, flooding into Amazon, there is still room for more sellers. And the reason why is because Amazon is growing. And what I'm looking at here is Amazon's 10K. Anybody can look at it. And if you don't know what a 10K is, basically it is their year-end annual report that they go through all their financials, and it's audited by whoever their auditor is, whether it's KPMG, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Deloitte. That's not important. It's not important. Just keep going. So it's what they deliver to their investors to say, hey, here's where our business is. Here's the parts of our business that are growing, and here's our projection for the future. Okay? So, one thing that I would like to point out when you're looking at this 10K is that over the past several years, if we're looking at Amazon sales, now keep in mind the sales column, the sales row here, includes Amazon sales for all aspects of their business, and Amazon has their hand in every single cookie jar out there. So this isn't just their website where they're selling products and they're collecting fees from us sellers. This also includes AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, Amazon, like their media, their entertainment business, and even more. Oh, and that clock is my dinner, so let me go shut it off real quick. I will be. Oh, this is gonna be good. So, what I was saying is that if you look at Amazon sales from 2011, even though I know this is all their businesses jumbled together, if you look at the growth that they have had, it is ridiculous. I mean, each year you're talking 20 to 30% increase in sales. Now, if we take that a step further and we just look at the increase in their online business, which is this North America row here, right? You can see that in 2013, it grew by 26%. In 2014, it grew 23%. In 2015, it grew 25%. For those of you who aren't familiar with numbers, 7% is the average growth for basically any kind of business when it comes to their sales. Amazon is growing at 25% on average, which is ridiculous. So there is a lot of room for new sellers. The online market is growing in general. Not only is the online market growing like crazy, but as we already know, Amazon's growing like crazy too. So I pulled up a few charts here. You can see the Prime base is just exploding. And that is Amazon's bread and butter, and that's what you as a seller have access to. Also, as of now, the total online market in general only makes up about 17% of all retail sales in the United States. So there's so much more room for growth. I mean, you're talking, I would think at some point it's going to make up 50% of all sales. So we're not even close to getting to the end of this crazy growth, right? And Amazon's paving the way. Even though there's a lot of people entering the market, there's a lot of competition, there's still a lot of room for more sellers. Now, you have to be smart. And the only way you're going to be smart is by trying and failing and trying again and failing again and learning from those who have tried and failed previously. Now, some people might get lucky and they might find themselves in a very, very good situation the first time, and that happens frequently. But don't give up. You can see here the numbers don't lie. Amazon is growing. There's no reason why you can't get your cut. You can't get your piece and get you some. So, yeah, that answers the question. Awesome. Go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and give you guys as good a content as possible going forward. And, yeah, I'm going to enjoy this dinner here. So you guys have a great evening.